have read about the balanced diet. Proper nutrition, proper vitamins, all should be in our plate. है ना? Then it is called as a balanced. What are the, if we have the deficiency of protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, what are the diseases we have to face? We will read in a further section. Do you think that the people of all ages need the same type of diet? Do you also properly so that its nutrient are not lost? क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हर ages people have to take the same type of diet?
No, it matters on their diet of how their metabolism works. As everybody's metabolism doesn't match, so I feel that maybe the kids will have a much more less meal, while adults will have more meals compared to kids.
No, it depends upon the ages. Sometimes the toddler needs a different type
Yes.
of food. So
Yeah, they need more
nutrients.
lighter food and
Yes, yeah.
it matters on the age as well. It
And
matters
after
on the-
10 years to 20 years, there is some other
yes,
system.
you
and-
need it gets the difference in
20
the
to
portion
yeah.
size.
In between 25 to 40, 45, after 45, our metabolism getting slow, and
Yes.
we need the lower portion, whatever we have taking
Yeah.
because our activities also it's
Decrease.
Decrease. Then it depend upon the age and the independence diseases, independence factor, independence people's metabolism. Some of the skins of many vegetables and food contain vitamins and minerals. Similarly, repeated washing of rice and pulses very good some vitamins and minerals present in them. But nowadays we are saying that that might be the some chemicals we are washing once and again. And but in previous days it has to be true कि there is some, if we washing so many times we are losing the vitamins, है ना? But nowadays we thought that there is some chemicals and the colors might be sprayed. That why we are repeatedly washing the rice and pulses. Okay. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easier to digest. At the same time, cooking also results in the loss of certain nutrients. Many useful protein and considerable amount of minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking and is then thrown away. Vitamin C gets actually destroyed by cooking भी कितनी करनी है, कितना temperature तक. Somebody like the जैसे suppose if you make the pulses, somebody like एकदम गला हुआ दे देना है ना, मतलब our grands या दादा दादी बोलते एकदम गला चाहिए है ना, चराइस and all. But somebody is medium है ना, तो what amount हम we use the heat is also depends upon the quality and the type of food we use, and if you are overheating, then maybe we also lost some foods, vitamins or minerals. Vitamin C gets actually destroyed by heat during cooking. Okay, what they are saying, if you are using vitamin C, that will be actually destroyed. That's why when we use the nimbu, this excuse it, है ना? Because vitamin C loses during cooking. It would not be sensible to include some fruits and the raw vegetables in our. Would it not be sensible? क्या ऐसा नहीं है, तो हमें we have to put the some raw vegetable in our diet.
Yes, like salad and fruits are better.
Yeah.
Fruit salads.
Fruits and salad we have to include. Bujo thought that the fats would be the best food to eat, है ना? All the time. A katori ball of fat will give much more energy than a katori of a carbohydrate food, isn't it? So at nothing but food rich. Now the story of Bujo, and he is saying that maybe katori of the food of the fat item is give more energy than the katori of carbohydrate. What they are asking is it is he है? We cannot say. In fact, the fried food like samosa and puri, snacks, malai, rabdi and pera, we all like it very much. No?
Yes.
Do you think he was right? No, of course not. It can be very harmful for us to eat too much fat, rich foods, and we end up suffering from a condition called obesity. If we eat too much fried food
And then
oily food,
obesity,
yeah,
yes.
we will face with obesity. Deficiency disease. How the certain vitamin, if हमारे अंदर कमी है, then how that will be converted into disease. Suppose if we have the vitamin K and vitamin D, what will happen? है ना? If there is a deficiency of vitamins, a person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Deficiency of one more nutrients can cause disease disorder in our body. Diseases that occur due to the lack of nutrient over a long period of time is called a deficiency disease. Right in here. What is called deficiency disease? Right now?
Yes, yes.
Deficiency of one more nutrients can cause deficiency of one or more nutrient can cause diseases or disorder in our body. Diseases that occur due to the lack of nutrients over a long period of time are called deficiency diseases. What is antibiotic? Ouch.
Shit. Yes.
Right, neat and clean.
Yes, yes. Deficiency. Can you please zoom in a bit? Yes.
That if a person does not get enough protein because their food for a long time, is likely to have a stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and that. हम लोग long time तक if we don't take the protein like in vegetarian item we can say it in a soya bean and milk and in pulses the protein is there है ना. If we are not taking for the long time that may हमारा growth थोड़ा stunted हो जाएगा and अब there will be the result swelling of face, discoloration, hair discoloration and the skin disease and that might be diarrhea will also be there. If the diet is deficient in both carbohydrate and protein for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. Such a person becomes very lean and thin and so big that she may not even able to move. But if we reduce carbohydrate and protein both in our diet,
Yes.
if we reduce carbohydrate and protein both in our diet, then we become lean and thin, and after some time we not able, be able to walk. Yeah? Then we can write it from here. If the diet is, if the diet if the diet is deficient in both carbohydrate and protein for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. Such a person becomes very lean and thin and so weak that may not even be moved. So this is the deficiency of carbohydrate and protein. Carbohydrate and protein. Deficiency of different vitamin and minerals may also result in certain diseases or disorders. Some of these are mentioned in table 1.3. Now we will come in table 1.3. Vitamin A. Vitamin A. If we have the lack of vitamin A, loss of vision, poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Vitamin B1 की कमी से क्या होगा? B1 we will remember it very. And the weak muscles, very little energy to work, we don't have to work. That is the coming of vitamin B1. Vitamin C is called the bleeding gums will take longer time to heal. If we have the bleeding gums, then there is a deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin D decays, bone becomes soft and veins, we cannot even walk and our hand like that is a deficiency of vitamin D. Calcium, bone and tooth both decay. Weak bones, tooth decay. And iodine, through the iodine, our gland will become bigger. Sometimes the people become obese and sometimes they become lean and thin. There is a two type of disease occur. One is called hypothyroidism and another is hyperthyroidism. And hyperthyroid people become lean and thin. They have the very and her neck is like solid like that.
Become weak.
And hypothyroidism, what happens? They become the obese, their metabolism making slow, digestion is poor, hair loss and all. Glands in the neck appear swollen and mental disability in children will also happen. Now we come to iron, anemia. What happens? In iron? Make a chart. Make a chart.
Yes.
You have a scale with a good handwriting.
I don't have the scale.
With a good handwriting. Make the chart.